That is the new ST front end conversion kit that I bought on eBay. Here is the ST badge that would go there. And there we go. That is the new 2015 Ford Focus ST conversion kit. They sell this on eBay. I wrecked the front end of my car. That's it back there. So I'm going to be putting this RS front end on it this weekend after I paint it, and go ahead and shoot some more videos, take some more pictures, and add it to this video later. Hope you guys enjoy. Looks like it's going to be a pretty cool front end. I'm happy. I'm definitely happy. It came quickly and it came undamaged, so I'm pretty happy. Thank you.